Good morning students. Today again we are going to do some more divisibility rules. So let's start with divisibility by 8. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Like in this case it's 73,512. The last 3 digits 512. We have to just check whether the last 3 digit number is divisible by 8 or not. In this case 512 is divisible by 8, hence the whole number, that is 73,512, is divisible by 8. Next divisibility rule is divisibility by 9. It is similar to that of the divisibility by 3 only. In divisibility 3 we have to add all the digits and we check whether the sum is a multiple of 3 or not. Similarly, same here also we are going to do the same. If the sum of the digit of a number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. Like in this case, it's 4 plus 6 plus 0 plus 8. Our answer comes out to be equals to 18. And 18 is a multiple of 9. Hence, 4,608 is divisible by 9. Similarly, we can check for others also. Now, let's check for the divisibility by 10. If a number has 0 in its ones place, then it is divisible by 10. Just we have to see the ones place only. Like in this number, we are having 0 at the ones place. So this given number is divisible by 10. Next one is divisibility by 11. In this case, what we will do, first of all, we will find the difference between the sum of the digits at the odd places. I am talking about the odd places, not the odd numbers. And the sum of the digits at even places of the number. And then we will just subtract both sum of the even digits and sum of the odd digits. If the result comes out to be equals to 0 or a multiple of 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. Let's take an example. Like in this case 308. So whenever we will check the divisibility by 11, we will start from the rightmost side and the digit at the ones place will always be an odd number. So odd, even, okay. Then we will do the sum of all the odd digits and the sum of the even digits. In this case, odd places, the digits at the odd places are 3 and 8. Sum is 11 and even it's 0. So 11 minus 0, answer is 11 and 11 is divisible by 11. Hence 308 is divisible by 11. Next one is 901153. We have to check again the same. As I have told you earlier, the digit at the ones place will always stands for the odd one. So it's odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Then I have taken the sum of all the even digits of the places at the even one. So it's 9 plus 1 plus 5, answer is 15. And for odd places, it's 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3, answer is 4. So now I have to calculate the difference. 15 minus 4, answer is 11. So 901153 is divisible by 11. Now I will take only one example to check or to tell you whether that number is divisible by 2, 3, 4 and so on. So let's check for the divisibility by 2 for this number. In this number, at the unit place we are having 9. And as I have told you earlier, a number is divisible by 2 if it is divisible by 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So the given number is not divisible by 2. Let's check for 3. Now the sum of the digit comes out to be equals to 30. And 30 is a multiple of 3. Hence this number is divisible by 3. Next check for the divisibility by 4. This number is not divisible by 4 because for divisibility by 4 we have to check the last 2 digits, and in this case the last 2 digits, that means 39. 39 is not divisible by 4, so the given number is not divisible by 4. Next one is divisibility by 5. As I have told you earlier, a number is divisible by 5 if it is having either 0 or 5 at its ones place. But in this case, we are having 9 in its ones place, so this number is not divisible by 5. Let's check for the divisibility by 6. It is not divisible by 6 because this number is not divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Now check for 8. Again, this number is not divisible by 8 because in this number the last 3 digit, that is 839, is not divisible by 8. Next one is divisibility by 9. In this case, sum of the digits comes out to be equals to 30, and 30 is not a multiple of 9, hence this given number is not divisible by 9. Let's check for divisibility by 10. Again, in this number, at the unit place or at the ones place, we are having 9. As I have told you earlier, a number is divisible by 10 if it is having 0 at its ones place. So this number is not divisible by 10. Let's check for the divisibility by 11. So I have written this number as I have told you earlier also, like we have to start from the odd places and from the rightmost side, odd, even, next is I have taken the sum of all odd places. It's 0 plus 8 plus 9. Answer is 17. And sum of even places, it's 4 plus 6 plus 3. Answer comes out equals to 13. Next we have to calculate the difference of both the sums. So difference comes out equals to 4. As we know that 4 is not divisible by 11, hence this given number is not divisible by 11. Similarly, we can